All right, check this out. I just got my mini pancake maker from VEVOR. We're gonna test it out. One thing I recommend you guys when you guys are making your little pancakes, add butter. Add butter to the whole thing, you know? All right, now turn it on. Couple of easy ways. You got two burners, all right? You got left and right. That means it's gonna divide in half. You got your power on and off here. Your degrees, all right? It's all here, base here. You can lock it out. It goes all the way to 300. We're gonna put a little timer, and this is a little timer. I didn't even know I had a timer. So if you're baking outdoors or indoors and you want to put a timer on it, perfect way. You don't have to buy anything else. There's two timers for left and right, all right? So on top of that, look at this. They give you utensils, all the stuff necessary to make your mini pancakes, to clean it up, brushes to brush the butter up, and to mix the pancake mix. So we're gonna put this guy to use and see how well it works. So we're gonna pour butter on it to preheat all these right here. Anything you miss, you gotta make sure you get all the corners, all right? You don't want the batter to be sticking anywhere, and that's it. So if you guys can see, it's hot. It's getting good hot. All right, if you guys can see how hot it's getting right now, it's over 100. It's gonna get to, but we put 200 right now. I would suggest 250 maybe. So we're gonna go up to a little bit 250 on both sides, so it could heat up a little bit higher. So we got at 250. We're gonna see how they look after. So we're gonna let them cook for a bit. We can put our timer, 2-minute timer, 3 minutes, whatever it takes, and you flip them over. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a perfect pancake. Now, some of them came out a little bit more darker on the right hand because I had it a little higher. So my recommendation, keep them under 200. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your batter, all right? So look at this. Look how beautiful they came out. Crispy on the outside, perfectly made on the inside. The best thing, you don't even need honey on these. It tastes super good. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.